Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to terrace gardening. Today we are going to see a cute and prettiest plant. This is also known as elephant bush. See this? See the leaf of this plant, how thick, and it is in an oval shape. This is fully grown in one pot, so it is fully surrounded with leaves and nicely grown. Actually, mom grows all varieties of plants. That's why I'll show you same plant in different variations of growing. You can see it's very small and round to oval and glossy green color are these leaves. That's why I'll be showing always one plant by small, another plant in other shape and little big. And this is very rare and it's like an good absorption of carbon dioxide. This we can keep either inside the home or outside the home also. I prefer keeping inside the home because it inhales carbon dioxide more. This you can see is a growing little lengthy because I have tied with a small and lengthy sticks that it can stand properly and grow lengthy and height. Now you can see it's actually long back mom had tied to a big stick. It's actually growing very high. It's looking so good also. When it is growing it's like a glossy green, and when it is maturing and the leaves are becoming big it becomes a little yellowish color, as you can see here the leaf color. You can see the small leaves have grown in this root or branch, I can say. And this stores water by itself. We do not pour everyday water for this. Actually we leave one day and we give it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel.